Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to disable all notifications on Discord on PC with the new update. So, let's jump right into it. First, open your Discord account on your PC. Then, next to the web address, click on View Site Information. This will open up a menu where you can make changes to your site settings. Next, click on Site Settings to access the permission settings for Discord. Under the Permissions tab, look for the option that says Notifications. Now click on the box next to Notifications and choose the option to block them. This will prevent any notifications from popping up on your screen while you're using Discord on your PC. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable all notifications on Discord on your PC. Now you can enjoy a distraction-free experience while using Discord. We hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.